Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are doing a get ready with me. So I'm going to be taking pictures in a few, probably in the next hour. So I am getting everything ready. I'm about to do my makeup, pick my outfit out. So yeah, we're going to, well, I kind of already know what outfit I'm doing because I actually did a reel with it on. And I was like, you know what, I should take a picture with it because it's really pretty fucking bomb. So yeah, so we're gonna get started on this. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are already done, and I am doing a brown lid look with like a white eyeliner. So we're just gonna go ahead and start and jump right into it because I am in a rush. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going in with a light brown as my transition shade all over the lid. I put tape on the side of my lids because I really don't want to have to deal with going back in and cleaning up the shadow. So yeah, that's why I did it. Now that we are done with that, I'm going to go in with a dark brown and my Juvia's palette. This one right here. And we're going to pack that all over the lid really heavy. And I'm going with my Morphe R39 brush. So we're just going to pack this brown all over the lid. Let me go closer there. Just literally all over it. We're just going to build it. But yeah, it's going to be all over the lid, you guys. And then I'm going to get a fluffy brush just to kind of buff it out what I just put on the lid. So I have two different palettes that I'm using. I'm also using the Revolution palette that also has a dark brown in it that I want to use as well, because this one is coming off a bit red. That's not what I'm going for. I'm going to go with Americana. I'm going to pack that onto my lid as well because I'm trying to go for a dark brown. See, like this is the brown I was going for. But I didn't want it to be so harsh. Because I'm packing it all over the lid. Okay. We're going to use a big brush and just fluff it out. This is literally a very easy look to do when you're on the go. And it's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna just fluff it out. So it's completely fluffed out, and once it's done being fluffed out, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use my NYX white liner, the actual pencil.
Killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana. You gonna have to give me Tatiana if you trying to get some sloppiana. I call my ops Appiana. They shut down East St. Loriana.
So I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on while my lashes are getting a little tacky. So I'm going to be doing a mix of Anastasia as well as the Fit Me. And Anastasia's foundation, I am a 450C. And in my Fit Me, I am a 355 Coconut. So my makeup my eyeshadow is not exactly what I wanted it to be. But you know what? Makeup is all about trial and error. So normally I use an orange corrector under my foundation, but I'm in a rush, so I'm not going to take the extra step. I'll just make sure I conceal really well so I don't have to. I also have homework due today, so I feel like a mixture of me having homework is also why I'm just like, I want to get this stuff done. I was supposed to wake up at 10 in the morning. I woke up kind of late, so I feel like that is what kind of took me off my game altogether as well, is waking up pretty late. Isn't that pretty? And it does oxidize, you guys. So I know I look a little orange, but it is gonna oxidize. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with my booty blender and just make sure everything is completely blended out on my face. I always use my brush and then my beauty blender. So it's not gonna be no different. My lashes are ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I'm contoured, highlighted. I'm about to use my little setting spray. What? I was about to say how I went in and it won't come out. Oh yeah, this is my favorite nude. I have not been able to find this in Ulta. Y'all see that? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me to get ready. I am going to finish up a reel first, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me to get ready to go take these pictures. So I'll be back. This is what my makeup is looking like right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and start moving on because I'm actually going to my clubhouse in my apartment complex to take these pictures. So time for me to get a move on, baby. So like I said, I already knew what I was wearing for my pictures because I actually had this outfit in one of my reels. So I am wearing this cute, pretty little thing blazer that has this big bow. Oh my god, it gives me so much 90s feel. Carrie Bradshaw, love it. And I'm gonna wear this one-piece bodysuit under it. This one is from Fashion Nova. Kind of sexy with these mules by ASOS and some rings. And we are going to go take some pictures. This is how the outfit is looking so far, you guys. Here's the bow. Isn't the bow so cute? I'm about to leave the house to go take these pictures. So I'm getting ready to take my pictures. As you guys can see, I am dressed and my camera's in the back. But if you guys can see, there is a whole dump truck behind me. I wish you guys could see it better behind me. And they are taking the garbage can. So I'm kind of stuck here until they're done. But I'm ready to get these pictures over with. It's so bright. Jesus.